Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 search result pane white or blank. First method is change personalization settings. Second method is index troubleshooting. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.